Here's another one finished up here. Innovative car sound base model 2-door Chevy Silverado 2003 to 2007. We installed this Viper remote start with two-way pager, lock, unlock, remote start, pop trunk. The remote beeps and lights up, letting you know what's going on with the alarm system in the vehicle. There's your unlock. Okay. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will fire off the alarm system, and all of these lights will light up. It'll start flashing and the remote will start beeping, letting you know that something's going on. I'll show you the box to the alarm that was installed. Got it inside. Here it is. Two-way security, full-featured alarm with remote start, lock and unlock. I'm going to reach in and unlock the door. And for the remote start, a few seconds later, cranks the engine. Now the last part that we are going to show you is we converted the manual door locks to power. So now when you hit lock, locks the doors, hit unlock, unlocks the doors. Manual door locks to power door locks using the Viper remote start. We have all types of remote starters available here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. Chevy Silverado, Viper remote start with two-way pager. Yeah, we still we're all slumber out. Let's see that. Yeah, nothing as well. It's just next year last year number for you was a cash. Should have my nice rock living it area over there was a rock stuff or was fast off by you. Rock stuff over out in this week's Scholar Rock, Scholar Oi name. Road Scholar. Unlock it. Throw this out. Manual door locks to power door locks using the remote starter. I'll see you guys on the next one.